So, is your name Google?
Why? No.
Because you have everything I have been searching for, including confusion.
I'm from Kerala.
Oh, so you are comfortable in Hindi or in English, like both?
I can speak Hindi.
Like,
No
cool.
issue.
Okay, okay. So, what do you do, like?
मैं अभी जर्मन लैंग्वेज पढ़ रही हूँ, नहीं पढ़ लिया, एग्जाम्स लिख रहे हैं.
You are using MacBook M4?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I can see with your like face detection na feature. Central feature.
Yeah, it can be changed, but the background is so bad. That's why I did that.
Oh, okay.
This is the spare room.
कॉमर्स से या साइंस से कहाँ से like?
Science.
Oh.
Bio.
Bio मतलब like chemistry, PCM,
Yeah.
PCB.
PCB. Yeah, PCB.
So like for chemistry people, I have a pickup line. Do you wanna hear it?
मेरे ब्रेन में बस चल जाए, मुझे समझ में आ जाए, बस देखते हैं.
So are you made up of copper and beryllium? Just say yes or no.
Why?
Because
No.
you are CUTE and kind explosive. Got it?
I've been really
Cute,
trying.
cute, like it. So what's your name? Like you are literally cute, like copper and beryllium.
I am sitting here with like literal. Okay, I normally sit in a better क्या
Background.
बोलते हैं रूप में.
In a background.
हाँ, बैकग्राउंड और रूप
Lavishness.
भी थोड़ा सा ठीक ठीक.
No
But
issues.
today I am sitting like anything and a YouTuber के. Okay.
Do more of what you love.
Okay.
Actually ये पता है कहाँ से आया दिमाग में? Like
हाँ.
let me show you. ये यहाँ से आया.
Oh, that.
It's a
that's
badge.
cute.
Like I bought it. Like there was some college fest in my college, and I bought it, and then I posted on this like my softboard. I
Yeah,
like
yeah, I
on
see
my
that.
favorite. I got this like I'm a foodie actually. I'm a great foodie, so I got this Food Express like back in 2022, and I made it like on my softboard. I pinned it. Lot of pickup lines. Do you wanna hear some of it?
Yeah, I can hear, but I am not sure कि मुझे सब समझ में आएगा.
No
क्योंकि
issues.
like in general I am not street smart and
No
usually
issues. No issues.
tube light.
No issues. No issues. Okay. So is your name Google?
Why? No.
Because you have everything I have been searching for, including confusion. Yeah. Yes, brother.
Okay,
Yes,
but
sister.
ऐसे cheap या cringy नहीं लग रहा है first time.
But again, like one of
yeah,
it.
they are cute actually. It's not कि सुन के क्या बोल रहा है ऐसा
हाँ.
नहीं.
अरे कितनी औसम है.
Like it's again like I have one. It's really cute. Do you wanna hear it?
Yeah.
So, if flirting was a sport, I had still lose to you. You are just too smooth.
I'm not here for making friends. Like, okay, just online.
हाँ, like it's a virtual thing for making communication skills
Yeah.
better.
I'm here to pass my time. I literally want to pass my time.
So, अच्छा ऐसे कोई
I
like
don't know.
तो ऐसी कोई भी चीज like you wanna share?
बहुत notification आ रहे हैं.
मतलब स्कूलिंग ICSE बोर्ड से या फिर CBSE बोर्ड से?
ICSE.
So टेम्पिस्ट पढ़ी है मतलब 12th में?
क्या पढ़ी है?
टेम्पिस्ट.
Yeah, Tempest.
टेम्पिस्ट हमने भी टेम्पिस्ट पढ़ी है.
अबे नहीं. Merchant of Venice पढ़ा था ना.
अभी last year करी है?
नहीं. हाँ, मैंने last year में pass out हुई.
तभी अच्छा ओके. Like हमारे
Merchant
टाइम.
of Venice पढ़ा, उसके बाद 11th 12th में Tempest पढ़ा.
हाँ, that's what I'm saying. Antonio Bassanio, Portia and Tempest. Antonio Bassanio, the same. Ferdinand. So you are from bio background, like. So I have a pickup line for bio people also. Do you wanna hear it? I am not an organ donor, but I had totally give you my heart. It was it's a hack. And actually in the last there was na, and maybe my liver if you had party hard.
It's like the
So I always used to sing like my chacha used to live and the gates are interconnected. So like at night whenever I used to talk and I got girls, I used to talk some loud speak and all. Like right now I'm speaking in polite version. But
Yeah.
like if like somehow some like yesterday only my brother was like Abir तुम बहुत तेज से बोल रहे थे. There were some girls, they were from Kerala and I was teaching them पहला तो अब वैसे तुम्हारा स्केड्यूल क्या है मतलब पढ़ने लिखने का? ये
वही
मतलब
तो
ये
नहीं,
यही
वही
यही
तो
ये चीज़
नहीं
मैं
है।
नोटिस कर रहा हूँ. लाइक रोज ओमेगल पे आते हो, इतना अच्छे तरीके से बात करती हो, लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करती हो, इंस्टाग्राम शेयर करती हो, इंस्टाग्राम पे 10 दिन बाद देखती हो कि मैंने उसको क्यों रखा, उसका सब हटा देती हो. देन फिर पढ़ती किस टाइम हो?
एग्जाम्स मैंने दे दिए हैं और अगर वो मैं एग्जाम फेल हो गई तो उसका रिजल्ट मुझे नेक्स्ट मंथ आ जाएगा, मेरे नेक्स्ट एग्जाम से पहले. वो नेक्स्ट एग्जाम वही एग्जाम है जो मैं दे के आ रही हूँ. ठीक, मैंने प्री बुक करके रखा है कि अगर मैं फेल हो गई तो फिर से लिख लूँ. तो ठीक है.
अच्छा, टेल मी वन थिंग, लाइक व्हाट्स दिस इन जर्मन लाइक?
Ich glaube, ich mag dich.
इश्मा,
Ich
I think I
glaube-
like you.
I know you are. Is it cool? Is it cool?
Yeah, it's cool. मुझे अगर नहीं पता हो तो मेरी बेइज्जती हो जाती. भाई मैंने B2 तक पढ़ा किस बात की. मैं तो ऐसे भाई बताने वाला भाई क्या मेरे को आएगा कि नहीं.
I know that now you are going to pass for sure.